are in Grapevine in White Plains for our 3rd anniversary. Dapat nung nag-order tayo sa Grapevine.
No way, hindi naman yun. Huh?
Do you have a video?
Yeah.
So what's up guys? It's currently 10:31 a.m. on a Monday morning. We are actually off to have brunch at Hilltop Cafe. This is in Horseshoe Village. And then afterwards we're going to run some errands, buy some stuff that we need for the house, and yeah.
Kasi walang tao. Medyo sobrang dami tao. Ayan, ganyan.
Hindi ka pa rin siya, no? Hindi ka makakaunin mo ang kasi ako lang.
Yeah. You eat more veggies.
Sabi pag nag-picture mo, is it good? It's good. Ayun na nga, sabi na sila kahapon. Hindi ka lang siya kaya.
Ito yung out there.
Eugene's house. Super nice.
Thank you.
So, it's sealed. I don't want to open it. So wala bang see the place.
Very 2000s.
Yung parang photo.
Can you open this? Oh, nice.
Ayaw mo maging parang baliwag na siya. Sobrang nakakabunti na lang.
Sheesh!
Add ko sa ano ko. Collection.
Ganda.
Gusto ko kasi parang gusto ma-affect siya ng konti. Parang answer lang. Hindi lang baka magtawag. Bibigyan ako bukas. Gusto ko magtawag. Alam mo, dinilig mo sa details.
Photo card.
Hindi ka na ba? Ganun lang namin na yan.
Ito lang gusto ko dito sa part na to. Ano nung ano.
So we just left Hilltop Cafe. What's the verdict? We ordered yung fry up, which is bacon, sausage, salad, croissant, scrambled egg, and mushrooms. When we ate at Grapevine, the USDA ribeye, it was 900 pesos. So parang konti na lang, may steak ka na. Parang yun lang. Parang it's quite expensive. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate it? Your meal, ha?
My meal, mga 7 na naman.
7 out of 10. Oh, by the way, yung fry up, may kasama na siyang black coffee. And you can't change it. So if you don't really drink black coffee, sayang yung order, yung drink if ever. And he doesn't even drink coffee. So for me, I got the iced dirty latte, the crab aligre pasta. It was okay lang din. I wouldn't order it again though. Like 6 out of 10.
Rated na mga 8 out of 10.
It's within the confines of a private subdivision.
Hey, dito tayo bumili na, di ba?
Really? I don't remember. So, ito yung Robinsons Magnolia. Sasabihin ko sana Robinsons Magalon. It's in Horseshoe Village. So, yun. That's basically our review for Hilltop Cafe. There are other colors there. You can. So, good morning. It's currently 11:07 and we're off to play golf with our friends.
Quick break.
Quick break. So, anong golf? Pumunta tayo dito para kumain. Hello, Dave.
Kasi sobrang traffic. Pero lasa mo yung cucumber.
Cucumber? Cucumber?
Ito.
Oh.
Cucumber ba to?
Hindi pa ba daw siya tapos?
May extra clothes ka rin?
Meron.
Oh my gosh, nakalimutan ko.
Okay lang yan. Bili ka na lang din. Yun o.
Hello.
Sila. Ilang ano yan?
Hi pa.
May nag-golf at
Philippines for gold. Oh no!
Kunti na lang.
Isa pa ba eh? Dave, mas ka dyan, Dave! Binato pa yung group. Philippines for gold.
Philippines for gold. Nice.
Ganda. Tingin. Ayun ko yung bolo. Hindi na tagal yung pra.
Nakapingin mo siya.
Yung bolo na doon pa. Nakaset up pa. Super kara. Thank you. Sa ano? Serenity.
Sa Serenity.
Chicken.
Chicken chops ba yun?
Soup na yan ah.
Basta cafe, no? Ito din ba? Kahit gano'n. Diba? Ano siya? Gusto nyo? Pagkaka pala.
For Casper.
For Casper.
So, we just left Famous Country Waffle, so we ate there for brunch. It's at White Plains. And kanina ko pa actually gusto bumili ng balloon kay Kuya. So, itatali ko siya kay Casper.